It's Chantel again, Quest Marketing Coordinator. Wow, here we are in Q4. Can you believe the holidays are just around the corner? As we enter this wintry season, be sure to join us at one of our upcoming events. Keep your eye on the future at our 2019 launch events. We'll be showing you the latest enhancements in CAD, additive manufacturing, product visualization, analysis, and more. We have 9 events around the Northwest. Our Spokane event will also feature a 3D printing expo. Check out our website to register. Join us at the Ampon trade show on October 17th and 18th. We'll be in booth 109 showcasing our 3D printers. Our 3rd annual Skills Summit is happening on December 7th. Keep an eye on our website for breakout topics related to mechanical and electrical design, sales and marketing, and manufacturing. Our training calendar has classes on it from now until February. Don't miss out on the opportunity to improve your team's productivity. Bundle with software to save. We'll have even more complimentary events for you in 2019. To register for training and events or see promotional details, check out our website. You can see more videos here, and as always, please subscribe. Let's see. Halloween, Toy Story, Thanksgiving, ham, and then la 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 la.